So I'll be discussing three things here. One is light year, another one is astronomical unit, and the third one is parsec, or we can say parallactic second. So what is this light year? So this is distance traveled by light in vacuum in 1 year. That is light year. So distance traveled by light in vacuum in 1 year. Okay. So what it will be like, as we already know that speed is equal to distance upon time. So 1 light year means what is it? Distance traveled by light in vacuum in 1 year means d is equal to speed of this light into time. That is 1 year. So like we are already aware, like here, no, make it green. Speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8. This is the speed of light into in 1 year. So how much time will be in 1 year? Like we have 365 365 days into 24 into is 24 hours into 60 into 60. Actually it's hour, it's second. Actually here it is in meter per second. So this time will be like 365 into 24 into 60 into 60. This is the time. Okay. So it will come around something like this, 9.46 into 10 raised to the power 15 meter. So this is our 10 raised to the power. This is 15. Okay. Now our second section is what is astronomical unit. So like this is our Earth. You can say Earth, and this is our Sun. This is the center of Earth, and this is the center of Sun. So this distance from center to center, from center to center, from center of Earth to center of Sun. So the average distance. This is what is called as astronomical unit. Means one, we can denote it by 1 AU, which is equal to 1.496 into 10 raised to the power 11 meter. So remember it, it's from center to center, center of Earth to center of Sun. Okay. Now, what is this parsec? So, like This is our earth, you can say, and this is our sun. You can do it like this. This is the center of sun, and this is the center of earth. Center of sun. So this distance, this is 1 AU. Here we discussed like this is 1 AU. Okay. So suppose at some point O, the line joining this one and the line joining this one. It makes an angle 1 second, like this one. So this is 1 parsec. Got it? Like here, the earth, this is the sun. From center to center, it's 1 AU. This is some point O, which makes an angle 1 second. 1 second. Like here, it is 1 second. So this is 1 parsec. So as we already aware, like we have one formula that is uh, angle is equal to arc over radius. But before that, I would like to discuss this 1 second. Like you should be aware of this thing. Like 60. This is if it's a if here it is a single quote, then it's hour. Sorry, it's minute, not hour. It's minute. And if it's a double quote, that it denotes the second. If it's single quote, then it's minute. If it's double quote, then it's second. And this 60 minute is equal to 1 degree. This is degree. And 60 second is equal to 1 minute. So how much will be this 1 second? So we can say like this. 1 second will be equal to 1 upon 60 minutes, or we can say it like this: 1 upon 60 into 1 upon 60 degree from here. So we can say it like this: we can say it like this: 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 into 1 by 60 degree. Okay.